Really cool. It's really handy if just in case you need something else, like same earlier, I'm missing 1 or 2 beads. And I'm just adding on. I'm not checking all of the beads. You need to stop looking at this because it's make my crystal placements is just crooked. And I'm so OCD about this. Like the same when you get a haircut or eyebrows, one crooked, the other perfect. It's just not good. And I'm just so OCD for that. And it's just bugging me. Then probably I can't sleep tonight. I might have to create this one look later. Just kidding. Tinted brush. Hey Foxy, thank you so much for being back. Okay, now we're gonna do is give it a quick swipe so then all looks blending in nicely without lumpy bumpy after you clear this design. All right, clear for 60 seconds. This now will be done. I am move on to the next one with our precision glue. This one I think is second. This one is second nails. So I love this at how I can go to any cracks, edges, and you feel it first. I feel scratchy right here because of the chain. Feels smooth, really good, but then some of them you feel the chains, like the link. You can feel that. So I'm gonna like give it a good squeeze in. Each time you're gonna squeeze just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. Little go a long way. You don't want to flood your crystal as well. You don't want to like overwhelm with the glue gels and it's gonna make all your crystal look so dull. So this one is good. And also after you finish one, you clear the clients, feel them, have them feel and like touch their hair, see if any still catching on. Then you can absolutely feel another like second time or more if you needed it. 60 seconds for this one under LED lamp. Here is our cute little queen's bee and I'm gonna do it again. I used to really like heritage to doing like all different charms here. And now I feel so much better and so confident doing this without worrying about like it falling off. If you are trying our Trifecta and feeling and notice that the troubleshoot is falling off the crystal, make sure you check your lamp if it clear properly, if the some bulbs is missing or is dead, which is that I have a couple of them, so I have to tot it away because it doesn't clear properly for me and the crystal will come off. So it doesn't clear. So when this gel doesn't clear properly, your crystal or anything else, like even gel polish is gonna be peeled off, your crystal gonna coming off, so it doesn't clear your gel. The gel's only clear is when your LED lamp work properly. Or some spot it clear and some other spots is will not clear properly, it's gonna really affect that too. So if the clients are coming back and feeling like the gel polish is peeling off, it's something that from the lamp that you need to look at. The same with the gel polish, with the transfer foil too. So this one, low battery. So this one is 60 second here. And the last one for our dragon scale. And I'm gonna go and check between crystals and dragon scale. If I feel scratchy, it means that is a chance for the hair and on the clothes from the clients who are catching it. So I'm gonna feel it first and then have them like run through their hair or feel it first. If they feel like scratchy somewhere, sharp in any edges, I'm gonna just feel it in again, but only on the edges. You don't want to do it right on the top of the crystals or the dragon scale because it's already adheres really well with condensed glue gel and in the white top coat. Scratchy right there. So I'm gonna give it a quick swipe. I don't know, this design is really good. Everybody, hopefully you enjoying this tutorial because we did chant before and everybody always doing it the other designers whooshy, but then the rest of them are so beautiful. Here for 60 seconds. So beautiful design that I can't wait to like do so many. We did quite. Make sure you don't lose this one. Here, close this one so then you don't spill it, or it's not gonna clog in your gel. Also, it's not gonna hurting any of your gels. It will last you a long time. Oh, when the I hold no wipe top coat, it will be available. It's sold out right now. I'm Esmeralda. Can you please check it again? I think it's available. I think it's just somehow with the technical stuff. But if you can check it again, it should be available for you. I don't think it's sold out though.
Oh, yes, you know, we get the trifecta. There's always one in there.
But if you get the trifecta, there's only in there as well.
But yes, and then
they're all done.